Creating basic shapes. Illustrator CS6 offers a large variety of shape tools to create any shape. To create shape, do the following. 1. Select the shape tool that corresponds to the shape you wish to create. Click and drag on the artboard to create desired size and proportion of the shape. 2. Select the shape tool you wish to use and click on the artboard. This will open a window with the properties of your new shape. Here you can type in a specific height, width, number of points on a star. Note: holding down the Shift key while creating your shape will make an ellipse a perfect circle, a rectangle a square. Also, don't be upset if you make your shapes too big or too small. You can always resize them.